Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Sir's Institute. In my previous video I have explained you how to complete the trigonometric table in easier way. Now we will start the exercise 8.2. In this exercise first question is given. Evaluate the following. Okay. In the first question's first bit, evaluate means we have to solve. Sin 60 into cos 60. If there is no sign, that means it is in multiplication. Okay. Plus sin 30 cos 60. So we have to multiply and check. So we will use the trigonometric table now. We will use the trigonometric table and we will put its value. Sin 60, you can see sin 60's value is root 3 by 2. So in place of sin 60 I will write root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Like this you have to find out the value and put it here. Now simply multiply. Root 3 into root 3 3, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Okay, LCM of these two are 4. 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. Okay, next question, second bit. In the second bit it is given 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Here a small thing I want to explain. 2 tan square 2 tan square 45 degree. Second bit it is given 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45 degree can be written as tan 45 degree whole square. Okay, don't get confused. This square means total is having the square. Cos square 30 degree means cos 30 whole square minus sin square 60 means sin 60 whole square. Again you just see the table, put the proper values in the asked question in the values. Okay, 2 tan 45 is 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, sin 60 is again root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So these two will be cancelled out because of the opposite sign. Our answer is 2. Okay, third bit. In the third bit the question is given cos 45 degree whole divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Okay, so we will substitute its value. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and cosec 30 is 2. Okay, so 2 by root 3 plus 2, multiply this one here, 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, we will now take its, we will just arrange the terms. 1 by root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Just multiply root 3 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 6. This is the answer. Okay, next bit, fourth bit. In the fourth bit it is given sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree whole divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus plus cot 45 degree. Okay, so we will again put the values for it. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3 whole divided by sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Okay, now we have to arrange all the terms properly. So first of all, take the LCM. See, there is no denominator here, so I am writing 1. Now the denominators are 2, 1 and root 3. These two are different. Leave 1, forget about 1. 2 and root 3 is different. So both will be the LCM. 2, root 3, both will be the LCM. Now write the numerator into which number is missing? 2 and root 3 is there. 2 is here, root 3 is not written here. So that one we will write in this place 1. With 1, both the numbers are missing. So we will multiply 2 root 3 minus 2 into which number is missing? 2 is missing. Out of these two, 2 is missing here. We will multiply in the numerator. Okay. Same thing we will do with this denominator. The LCM is 2 and root 3. Both we will get as the LCM. 2. Which number is missing from these two? 2 is missing. Multiply. 2 is here. Multiply root 3. Okay. Plus 1. Both the numbers are missing in the denominator. Multiply both. 2 root 3. Okay. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 whole divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 cancels. Okay. Now here we will get in the numerator root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, add these two, 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay. So this is the value we got at last finally. Now you can rationalize it. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4 into same denominator we will multiply 3 root 3 4 3 root 3 4. What is the sign? Plus. So we will multiply with minus sign. Okay. 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, as we are multiplying both same terms. Here this is a plus b, a minus b. So we will get a square minus b square. Okay. Now a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2a b divided by 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 4 4s are 16. Okay. You might have studied these terms in the 9th class in rationalization chapter. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 4 4s are 16. Okay. Minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 9. Okay. 27 minus 16 is 11. 27 minus 16 is 11. Now add these two. We will get 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Okay. Next bit. In this question it is given 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45. Sin square whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay. So we will substitute the value 5. Cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 sec square 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 is 1 square whole divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Okay. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. 5 into 1 by 4. plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, root 3 by 4. Okay, 5 ones are 5 divided by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 3 minus 1 whole divided by LCM of these two is 4, 1 plus 3. Okay, now take the LCM of these 4 3 1. LCM of 4 3 is 12. Now 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, so that 3 we will multiply here. Write numerator as it is. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, that 4 we will multiply here. 1 into, there is no denominator, that's why we will multiply the whole LCM 12 divided by 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4, 1. Okay, no need to write anything in the denominator now. You write it 15 plus 16 4s are 64 minus 12 by 12. 15 plus 64 is 79 minus 12 divided by 12. 79 minus 12 is 67 divided by 12. So fifth question is over. Just go through the process. What I have done. Write the question, substitute the proper values, take out the LCMs properly, multiply the values correctly, and you will get the correct answer.